Good morning, Namaste, Sastikal, Adab. Today I am Qadir Siddiqui and I'm just going to explain you some of the question which is related to chapter number 1, class 9 Beehive book. Okay, guys, so means most of the student they were just commenting me and asking me, sir, why don't you try to just tell the answer of ninth class Beehive chapter number 1. The chapter number 1, the fun they had. This you remember. The fun they had. This is the chapter number, and this chapter is taken from Beehive. Okay. So here I'm just going to tell you some question, few words, and few words or couple of sentence in each that I'm just going to explain you. First of all, one question is here: how old are Margie and Tommy? This you must remember that Margie is an 11-year-old and Tommy is 13 years old. You have to remember because this is the chapter. And first of all, I would also like to tell you about this chapter. This chapter is related to means our future education. As you all the people are just getting education in book, but there Margie as well as Tommy were getting education on the computer, and there wasn't any teacher. The computer was itself a teacher, and there were so many chapters in the computer when books is having only a few chapters, but in the computer there are millions of the chapter which will never lost, but sometime we lost a book and we do not remember the chapters also. So this is the story about the future education, how Margie and Tommy are getting surprised to get one of the old book which was its grandfather's grandfather notebook. So let's start one question. I've told you how old are Margie and Tommy. I told you Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. Second question is here: what did Margie write in her diary? She has written one of the word, one of the sentence. That is, today Tommy found a real book. Real book. The mean he got means old book, and that was going on in the time of as we are living in 21st century. So that time maybe they were just living in 2050. So that was very far. Okay. So second, my third question is: what things about the book did she find strange? This you remember. Okay, so here I'm just going third number. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie have never seen a book before, because when because he shown a book to Margie, Margie was confused. She was totally confused and she was considering that I haven't seen such a book ever. The third means fourth question is here: what things about the book did she find strange? Margie found it strange that the book had yellow and wrinkled pages. Words in the book were still and did not move the way they were supposed to on a screen. So she was considering that there were some of the stories and words was there which was repeating again and again, and the book was very dirty, as well as its pages became yellowish. So it was looking so old. That's why she just said like that. My fifth question is: what do you think a tale book is? What do you think tale book is? Here I am just telling a book that can be displayed on a screen is called a tale book. Okay, screen book which is being displayed on a screen, that will be called tale book. The sixth question: where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmate? No, no. Margie's school was in her home. Okay, itself, because there was one of the room in the future. It will be so that you will have Miss Margie was having such a room where the room was being school itself, and right next to her bedroom means no, she did not have any classmate. You can understand when she is having class in the room, so how can she will have classmates? It's not possible, na? So it is wonderful, and it is said that a word to the wise is enough. You must understand. Question number 7 here. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? So Margie and Tommy learned geography, history, and arithmetic. So there were three subjects which was being listed. The first one is geography, history, and arithmetic. So let's come for another. These are the answer the following question with reference to the story if you want to know. I wouldn't throw it away. So who says these words that I'm just going to tell you? Tommy says these words. Means when Margie told that I would definitely throw this, then he said I would. Tommy says that I wouldn't throw the means I wouldn't throw it away. He does not want. He did not want to throw that all. What does is refer to? Okay, it refers to the television screen. Okay, this you remember. What is it being compared with the speaker? So this you remember. Tommy is comparing the television screen with the printed books of earlier times. He thought that after reading such books, one would have to throw them away. However, he would never throw away his tale book. So it is good that which was printed. So he doesn't want it. He did not want to just throw that all that books. Okay, which he got. So second question is here. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. So in the book, as we today in 21st century, we people are teaching to you, and you all the student are having teacher as well as books. So you are having different type of the teacher like means different. The mean of different is this, that you are getting a subject teacher. Okay, so means each teacher is coming with its subject, but in the future it won't be like that. There will be one of the means mechanic means a teacher, robotic teacher. Okay, there will be a robotic teacher where the mechanism, if something is being spoiled, so mechanic will come and try to just improve that teacher. Improve the teacher is mean that he will try to just repair that teacher. Okay, how this you will be considering? How a teacher can be repaired? Definitely when it is means robotic teacher, it will definitely be repaired. This you remember. Okay, so if you, it is not important for you, even I'm just telling the third 30 words answer. What kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers, okay, with large black screen on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. The mechanical teachers had a slot in which the student had to put their homework and test papers. They did not have a living human being teacher as a teacher who would teach the student in the class. Well, my dear student, this you remember, in the future it will be so that they are having a mechanical teacher who has having as black screen in which there is one of the slot as we are just putting CD, okay, in DVD. So that time it will be like so in the future. Okay, so second question is also here. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. That was the reason. Only enough. This will be answer. Margie had been giving many tests in the geography by the teacher, but she was not getting much improvement, as well as she was not getting good performance and good marks also. So that was the reason. That's why Margie's mother wanted to find out the reason behind it. Okay, what did he do? Okay, Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher had been adjusted at a higher level. Okay, so there is a level. In the future, there will be a level. You can set a level as you are in third class. You can just set a level of third class. You can set level of 10th class. You can set level of 12th class. So when Margie will be in a lower class and the means mechanical teacher set up for a higher class, so that was the reason. In order to help her, the county inspector slowed down the geography sector to an average 10-year level. Okay, there will be no class, there will be no class, there will be level of the year. As you are 1 year old, so set will be means the mechanical teacher will be adjusted as a lower than second year, third year, fourth year and 13 year. So that was the condition. Now, why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher had been adjusted as at a high level. As I told you, I'm just repeating this again. Fourth question. Okay, the county inspector slowed it down in the geography, and the mechanical teacher averaged about 10 years level. So according to the level, mechanical teacher will work. Question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Once Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because its history sector had blanked out completely. So that was the reason it will take so much time, and Margie was considering my teacher will be also taken and it will return within 1 month, but it hadn't happened. It returned within hours. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Like that. Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother believed that learning at regular hours helped little girls learn better. So her mechanical teacher always turned on the same time every day except on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday will be off. So as we are just putting means alarm at night, we are setting an alarm at 1 o'clock, either in morning 4 o'clock, in morning 5 o'clock. So it started just alarming. Okay, in the same way the teacher was set according to the time. It comes, it ons according to the times, it turns on according to the time, it turns off according to the time. So that was happening. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Okay, old kind. Tommy says that the old kind of school had a special building and all kids went there. That a teacher who was a man, they all studied together and learned the same thing as they were learning. But to study together, it is wonderful and very enjoyable. But to study alone, it is very frustrable. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Tommy describes that the old kind of teachers as living human beings who did not live in the house. Instead, they taught the student in the special building. They taught the children in groups and gave them homework. Understood? So guys, this is these are the questions which I really wanted to just describe to you all. I hope so that you all the people are understanding the chapter, as well as if you want, these are the question. Okay, answer each of the question in 2 or 3 paragraphs, about 100 words. So if you want, so I will explain it if you want. Even I am just explaining 2 and 3 questions so that you can understand. Okay, so let's start. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the schoolrooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. This you remember, they had large black screen on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. These teachers were adjusted according to the age and potential of the student concerned. They had a slot in which the student had to put their homework and test papers. They had to write their answers in a punch code. Okay, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks immediately. Their schools were in their homes itself. They had not have any classmate. They had regular days or hours for school. The mechanical teacher always turned on the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. They learned geography, history and mathematics. So this is the one chapter that I have missed one question, in which I have also explained fully chapter. I hope so that you are understanding the chapter as well as the question. Now I will explain you again second chapter, some of the question, and you will able to just enjoy the chapter. If you haven't understand, if you are having any problem, then you may please consult to me. Thank you so much.